Now, by now you can guess that moving a matrix into row echelon form can be quite messy. And the ones we're going to do in class on our assessments will be small ones. They'll be 3x3s, maybe a 3x4, but nothing larger than that. When you have a larger matrix, you want to use technology. And I'm going to show you how to do it in Desmos first. So go into Desmos. It's free on the internet, desmos.com, and click on Math Tools and choose Matrix Calculator. Click on New Matrix and enter your values. Before you do that, you'll need to tell it how many rows and how many columns. So we had 3 rows in our example and 4 columns. So I'm going to enter in my values for each entry. There, they're all in. And if I click the blue button with the arrow pointing to the left, I've entered in that matrix A. Now, to make it in reduced row echelon form, I'll type in RREF, and then I'll put the name of the matrix, which is A in our case, in parentheses. This will give me not only row echelon form, but reduced row echelon form. So you'll notice that this does not look like the matrix we just made. It looks different. And just to remind you that we mentioned that reduced row echelon form takes it one step farther, and it says that if any column contains a leading 1, then all the other column entries in that column need to be zeros. So you can see this one, they've become zeros, and this one's zeros also. These are our leading ones. This is not a leading one. These are our leading ones. And so this is called reduced row echelon form, and it just continues the same operations we've done a little farther, and it makes it a little easier to solve the system. And you could use this matrix to do the same thing we did just a few minutes ago by setting z equal to 3 and moving on this way. But you can see here it's easier to solve because we can say z is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and x is equal to 1 without having to do any back substitution.